Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check model, network bands, and whether you need a Nano SIM or eSIM. Once done, power the watch off and open the SIM tray carefully. Use the eject pin or remove the back if required. Make sure the SIM is seated in the correct orientation. A misaligned SIM won't connect. Then close the tray securely and charge the device to over 20% so activation won't fail. This gets you ready. You power the watch and pair it to your phone or Wi-Fi. Pairing often speeds activation. Next, open the watch's cellular settings or your carrier's app and choose Add Plan. Enter the ICSID number from the SIM or scan the QR code for an eSIM. Once you submit, the carrier provisions the plan. This can take several minutes. During provisioning, keep the watch near the phone and connected to the internet so authentication completes and the device registers on the network. You finalize by confirming the carrier name, signal bars, and the cellular icon on the watch. Then run practical checks, place a call, send an SMS, and browse a small web page to confirm data. If call quality is poor, enable VoLTE LTE in settings when available. If you don't get service, reboot the watch, power cycle the phone, reseat the SIM, and double-check the APN settings. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the watch's IMEI and the plan activation status for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.